Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Air Max TV. Max here. I hope everyone's been doing okay. During these times, it's definitely important to stay healthy, keep in shape, and stay physically strong. So with that being said, I'm gonna just go over my midweek Wednesday's workout. Working out my whole body. It's important as athletes that you're not only getting strong, but you want to still move your whole body so you can not only be stronger, but you can move better, faster, and overall in better condition to perform the best at whatever you're doing. I'm going to show you my workout as an athlete to stay physically strong and keep in shape. So I hope you enjoy the workout and hope everyone's doing okay. Stay safe, eat smart, be strong. And I'm gonna start out with some kettlebell swings to get my body moving and some crunches to get the core all fired up. And I'm starting with the kettlebell swings. So you want to come to that nice hinge position, maintaining a neutral spine, and then as you swing, you're coming all the way back up to that nice standing plank position. So trying to really keep nice smooth motions, and with the crunches, really using those abdominals. So you want to really feel that lift coming from the abdominals and not using your hands to press on the head and neck. Next up, we got the kettlebell goblet squats to get the metabolism going, the legs all fired up, and the whole body moving. So you want to go down and back like you're sitting down in a chair, keeping the weight load on the heels as you press or push off the ground to a nice full standing plank position. So nice controlled motions, down and back, keeping the weight load onto the heels, coming all the way back up to that nice full plank position. Alright, so next up we got the kettlebell plank drag with a push-up. So really getting those arms going, getting the chest pumping, getting the triceps working, with working on shoulder stability. So this is key. So core strength for the plank, shoulder stability while doing the push-up. So I would try to maybe hit 20 reps if you can or more. And then you're definitely working on building nice strong shoulders as well as really getting a full upper body workout. So good old fashioned bicep curls, so heavy weights, just pumping them and then getting the blood flow to the shoulders. So you want to really build shoulder strength, and this helps prevent shoulder injuries while keeping those shoulders nice and strong. For the deadlift, the first thing to go up is the head, and then press through the legs, and then come all the way up to that nice standing position, and then lowering down the weights in a nice controlled manner. And I like to get those chin-ups in there to really build upper body strength as well as back strength and core strength. So really getting those biceps going, the chest working, as well as building a nice strong back. So that's really important. So nice strong back. And if you're all enjoying the video so far, please be sure to smash that like button. It does help out the channel. It's very important to work on pulling motions as well as keeping that core fired up. Hoping you're enjoying the workout so far. And if you are, make sure to please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come.